Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so today we're going to go straight to the point. No outposts. Forget about outposts. Remember the idea that we already talked about it, about higher standards, and it's not about quantity, but it's about quality. So, outposts are like plastics in the ocean. Nobody likes, and it's very easy to spot on because they float. So there is actually... you have to use your own voice and tone, so that's why you need to craft the post yourself. You cannot basically let the computer to generate a post for you. So that's what I mean about outposts. In other words, outposts are basically soulless.
What was that? It was bad. It had nothing, no fire, no energy, no nothing. You know I have a show to run here, you know? And it must pop, pop, pop. So tomorrow from 5 to 7, will you please act like you have more than a 2-word vocabulary? It must be green, okay? Okay?
So I know outpost saves time. But again, it's soulless. And to save time, we will talk about, probably on the next podcast, about scheduling posts, which is completely different from outposts. So what I mean about outposts, anyway, so it's that random post that is generated again by computers, by bots, and they usually are posted just to keep your activity up online. You know, you don't have time, so you create it. You let basically the computer generate some posts for you, right? During nighttime, usually, it's when people use that. So even if it sounds a good idea to automate your presence online, of course, again, everybody want to save time. Everybody don't want to be a slave online, right? Spend the whole time they have for growing their accounts on the internet. That's all good. But it's not something you're going to go on that road, okay? Outfitting your blog, for example, sites and etc. is also a no-no. You have construct a unique voice and tone. Don't destroy that by creating something that is not yourself, your own voice and tone, right? So this is your brand. Keep it and protect it. Do not risk, again, by outsourcing your content creation to anyone. Can be even for another human being. So you have to do it by yourself. That's how I think. And the last part is to never lose control of your posts and feeds in the way, again, to speed up your time, right? It's just not worth the trade-off. That's the point.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. But you are not a Jedi yet.
So don't outsource to Vader, okay? Do it yourself. So as action, straightforward action here. Just forget about outposts. That's it. Just this is not an idea that you have to pursue, right? And remember to keep respecting your tone and voice because, again, that's your brand. That's the thing that will make you stand out and be different from other people, right? So that's it for today, and see you soon again, maybe next Monday. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.